How's it going, guys? Illness13 here. I know I said the last video where I just talked and played music was going to be the last, but unfortunately I was not able to work out all the sound issues yet. And I tried to play with Hunter. We recorded and our voice is there, but the gameplay overpowers it sound-wise, so you can't hear it. But I still had to upload this because I did pretty well, Hunter did pretty well. So, there's just going to be some music in the background, and I will try my best to get the audio problems worked out, and hopefully see you in the next video with actual audio. Thanks for watching.
Look at your young men fighting. Look at your women crying. Look at your young men dying. The way they've always done before. The hate we're breeding. Look at the fear we're feeding. Look at the lives we're leading. The way we've always done before. When they shot the man who said peace could last forever. And in my first memories they shot Kennedy. I went numb when I learned to see. So I never fell for Vietnam. We got the wall of disease to remind us all that you can't trust freedom when it's not in your hands. When everybody's fighting for the promised land. I don't need a civil war. It feeds the rich while it buries the poor. The power hungry selling soldiers in a human grocery store ain't that great. I don't need a civil war. No. Look at the shoes you're filling. Look at the blood we're spilling. Look at the world we're killing. The way we've always done before. Look in the dark we followed. Look at the leaders we followed. Look at the lies we've swallowed. And I don't wanna hear no more. Lord, power.